Let's learn how to download YouTube on your PC. First step first, make sure that everything is working properly and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the browser of your liking and to type in YouTube PC download. In this case, just follow my steps. By clicking on the second link, you will be able to download YouTube pretty fast. Do not go to other links because I cannot guarantee that they will work. After successfully downloading zipped file, we have to unzip it or to extract files. When you extract files, open the folder and your YouTube should be working. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.